Hi guys, may guys tayo, English. Gusto nyo guys? Sige guys. Brush ko muna guys yung eyebrows ko. Sige, brush doon natin. Ito na guys. What's your name? Your name is Allah? Oh, your name is Allah. My name too is Allah. What's your name? I'm not your father. I saw, not the father. And I must eat the carrot because it's that delicious. I eat the carrot, not the carrot, the apple. I eat the apple. Oh, you want it? I eat apple too. Oh, guys, sorry, I've grown bitch. Look at my feet. Look at my dress ups. You know what? It's icon. Look at Shaya. I have English too. You turn right. I English. Don't copy me. Why you copy me so much? You copy me now. You. Cursing. I both. And then to see my eyes to myself. Why you not to my eyes together? Put my grunting. Why you die to myself? I can't do it. I say that's mine. Curses. I don't know what you're doing. I don't say that. Shy, Juvan. You want to hurt? No, because you hurt me. I scruff your eyebrows out. Please.